welcome back to another video. You're watching Concerns or today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Sony's another variant out here. Talking about Sony, we can say Sony has always brought some amazing version phones and very different kind of variants out there. And now when we talk about Sony's version, we can say Sony is as one of the variant, and especially C903 is a variant which was in the market in 2009, in late 2000s we can say, and there was really interesting features about it. It was a slider phone which we have seen in Sony's lot of variations, but this slider phone was absolutely different from the other sliders we have seen. If we compare these slider phones from Nokia, Samsung, or even Sony, then they are quite different with each other. And this one is absolutely different because of the button placement. Uh, the processing internal functions is definitely different out here, but the difference also lies in the structurality design out there. Now let us talk about the design of this variant. When we talk about the design of this variant, we can say that this variant offers you 96 grams weight. Yes, 96 grams. That's very light weighted version. As well as this offers you mini SIM technology along with TFT screen. Now this TFT screen type is usually for the ones which are touch type, but this kind of variation also have this variation. This variant has this kind of a screen, so this can be considered one of the great version. As well as it has 265K colorization. Now in early 2000s and late 2000s, we had seen that variation of color was from 16K, 256K, 16M colorization. That was also seen, but this offers you 256K colorization. Along with the size of 2.4 inch screen, yes, it has a size of 2.4 inches, providing you a scratch-proof display. Yes, this display it has a scratch-proof glass and offering you a resolution of 167 ppi density. So you get to have a lot of specifications within it. Whereas talking about this variant, talking about this version, talking about this specified variant, we can see it offers you a camera of 5 megapixel. Yes, rear camera of 5 megapixel could be seen out here. Whereas you will not find any kind of a variation in other versions. Yes, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant does not offer you any selfie camera, but offers you a rear camera of 5 megapixel. Whereas if we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant also offers one of the variations which is like a memory card sortation, a memory card expandability we can say, which is up to 16 GB. Yes, the internal capacity is up to 16 GB. Expandability is up to 16 GB, whereas internal capacity is about 105 MB. So this 105 MB plays a very important role in C903 because C903 has a very short-term memory. So expandability is given out here. Whereas you get to have an entry of about 1,000 entries into 20 different fields out there. So you get to have a lot of entries. Whereas you also get to have a loudspeaker inbuilt in it. Yes, you will find a loudspeaker. Along with that, you will find out that this variant offers you a very good range of Bluetooth connectivity out there. 3.5 jack is not seen out here, so you will not be able to find that jack slot. But you will be able to find Bluetooth connectivity, radio connectivity out here, USB 2 type charging, GPS technology, accelerometer out there. So these are the things which you will be able to find out. Whereas when we talk about this variant, we can say it has all the internal functions, like it will be able to have games, it will have a MP3 player, track music, ID, photo editor, YouTube application, organization, voice memo, everything could be seen out. Apart from this, if we talk about the battery life of this variant, then it has got 1000 mAh battery life. 1000 mAh battery life plays a very important role, and this offers you approximately 4 hours talk time in 3G variant and 10 hours talk time in 2G variant. So this is a very good functionality, and we can say a very good function about this variant. Back then it was released out, and we can say back in 2009, it was a very good version phone out there. So talking about this very good version, we can say that in today's time it can be used in secondary phone, and for the people who don't want any high-tech gadget, they can also use this kind of variation. So let us talk about the pricing of this variant. Talking about the pricing of this variant, this site phonezone.ae offers you a great pricing, we can say a good pricing and a pocketable rates for your gadgets. Whereas this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets out there. Yes, you can search your favorite gadgets out there so that you do not miss out any of your favorite gadgets. So I'm writing this variant out here. So this is the result for our search, and when we search our results, we get to see a description box offering you n number of specifications which we were discussing right now. As well as this offers you a condition called refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what refurbished is actually. Talking about refurbished products, or we can say refurbished brand or like brand new. If we talk about these two terms, then refurbished and brand new word, they both are quite same. Brand new itself means something which is first time launched or we are seeing for the very first time, whereas refurbished means something which is brand new like something which is brand new like. So these are the two terms out there which we come to know. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that brand new term uh, resembles to the gadgets, to the thing, or to anything which is absolutely newly launched, which is for the very first time, and we have not seen it in the entire series. But refurbished is like that is a pre-owned thing which is now recreated again, so that it can be reused. Yes, this is what actually refurbished and brand new means. If we talk about the structure, if we talk about the functionality of these variants, they are absolutely same. Yes, if you get to see the functionality, they have the same functionality. Whereas if you get to see the structurality, if you see the design, if you see the eyes, screen, if anything, any gadget, then they are also same. So overall, we can say that brand new and refurbished products are very same. Once a refurbished product could be called a brand new, but a brand new product can never be refurbished. You could say that because once a gadget is always brand new. Yes, once a gadget will always be brand new, but any brand new gadget can never be refurbished. Now let us talk about the passage or how is it related, because we said that they are quite similar. So we can see that brand new's extension is refurbished. How? We have usually the three bases out here. We have the three pathways followed by any gadget. One is the base. Base is something from where we get that gadget originated from there. Then comes the mediator, is the place where the base and the consumer meets, and the consumer are we, the users. Now in brand new, what happens is brand new has the base, which is the company. Yes, brand new's base is the company out here, because company is the one which for the very first time launches any gadget out here. Yes, this is the company which launches any gadget. Whereas mediator is the marketplace. Always the mediator will be marketplace for the gadgets, because this is the place where it's a bridge actually where the company and the users meet. Now talking about the consumers are the users who uses that gadget for the very first time. This is actually the brand new out there. This is a brand new pathway. Now when we talk about brand new pathway, it terminates at the user. Yes, it terminates at the user. Now talking about the user, this user becomes the base of refurbished product, because the product has been pre-owned out here, so you get to have a refurbished brand now. If it is pre-owned, then it is said that it is once used out, so you can definitely once again use it. How? It is resold to another user. Yes, it is resold to another user. Now this is brought up in the market agencies which buy or which collects the pre-owned gadgets. Yes, pre-owned gadgets are used out here, are collected here. After that, you get to have testing of that gadget. Everything has to be tested, and then it is again resold to the users, and the users becomes a new user out here. Yes, now the user is a different user, another user is this. So this is what happens in a refurbished pathway. So you will find the structurality same, functionality same. Why we say so? Because there are 29 parameters to test these designs, these functions out there. Yes, you get to have 29 parameters, which include the external and internal parameters like display. Externally, we can see all the factors like display buttons out there, camera, video, audio quality out there, even the battery life, charger. These things could be seen out. So this is what brand new happens to be. Now talking about brand new products, we can say that brand new products offers you these things, and the same external factors offers you is offered in the refurbished category. Now, apart from these, refurbished also sees that the screen has scratches or not, the color is correct or not, is there any displacement in the buttons. These things also have to be seen, and the buttons are working properly or not. So these things also are checked out in these parameters. Then comes the internal parameters. Internal parameters includes nothing else but the internal functional parts like the connectivity, SIM recognition, OTG cable out there, your data wiping, data recovery, data colorizations out there, your LCD colorization, your touch screen, even your internal platforms like operating system, your processor, process maker, GPU out there. If it has sensors, then all kind of sensors has to be tested. Even the hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things has to be checked. Like 3.5 jack has to be checked out. So all the specifications which we read, which we study about any gadget once it is being launched, they all have to be checked out. Once it is checked, then these are certified as a refurbished gadget. If it is not passing in any of the parameter, if it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be renewed, it has to be corrected. Yes, if it fails in like display, then the display has to be changed out so that it can be resold, and the display is brought by the company out there. So it gives you a quality check, a good quality product, so that it offers you a good service. So this is overall the parameters which defines how the refurbished gadget looks like. Now talking about refurbished gadget, we can say there are few benefits associated with it. Now let us talk about the benefits of this product. And talking about the benefits of this product, we can say number one is the pocketable rates. Talking about pocketable rates, we can say that pocketable rates are very important part of any gadget, because we know that most of the gadgets are quite expensive for us. If we want to buy, then we need to check our pockets whether they fit into our pocket or not. So this is one thing which happens, and refurbished products are usually quite pocketable. Now, talking about this pocketable rate, does it offer savings? Yes, it offers you savings also, because you get to have a savings where you, because brand new products are actually quite expensive, whereas refurbished are pocketable, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you definitely save a good amount out there. As well as when we talk about these products, we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty period in the refurbished gadgets. Yes, refurbished gadget offers you 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. 7 day exchange policy is given so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets, and if you have any default in the gadget, then that could be rectified and exchanged out there. So these are the few benefits associated with refurbished products, which you might not find in the brand new products. So these can be set a very good production and a very good condition out there. We can say a good condition which helps us to know about our gadget. So let us quickly go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same conditions or not. So as we were talking about the site, that is Phone Zone, which means Phone Zone means a place where you get a collection of gadgets out here, and here you get to see a category all mobile phones. This offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as you get to search your favorite gadgets out here. As we were discussing about the refurbished products, we got to see that there's a 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy, and this website offers you 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy also. Apart from that, there is COD and free shipping. Yes, COD and free shipping can also be seen out here, so you can check out the website. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. For best pricing, yes, for best pricing, you can visit out the website out here, which is phonezone.ae, or you can check out the description box. It has all the details. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.